Good morning. This is a recording for Monday, April 7th. You may notice that your response to the mind and its thoughts is not always rooted in kindness and gentleness. It's okay. Traditionally, we do loving kindness practice toward a person, even if that person is yourself. But you can actually direct the same sentiment toward the mind itself. With practice, you can learn to respond to the mind with greater acceptance. This helps you see more clearly and not get caught up in reacting to each and every thought. Let's give it a try now. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your mind, your heart. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Allow your breath to be nice and soft, natural, and just notice how this natural breath flows through your body, how your body responds to it. Now start opening your awareness to your thoughts, keeping your attention on the breath as your anchor. Simply notice when a thought arises. You may label it as rumination, fantasizing, thought of present, past, future, whatever it is. But more importantly, focus on responding to it with gentleness. Whether the thought is pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral, try to bring some patience to the thinking mind. I'll be silent for a while. When a thought arises, offer a phrase of loving kindness toward the mind and the thought itself. You may use trying, you may try, oh my God, you may try using these phrases or your own as usual. For example, you can try, may I be at ease with the mind. May I be at ease with this thought, or thinking mind, gentle mind. Again, you can use these or your own, whatever resonates best. Just reconnect with the intention to respond to your thoughts with kindness over and over again. And when the mind wanders off, which is inevitable, just come back to the breath and pay attention when a thought comes up. Gently offer a phrase of loving kindness and return to your desire to be at ease with your mind. You may even try offering a phrase to the wandering of the mind itself. I'll be silent for a minute or so. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of this practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to make a dedicated effort to carry this practice with you during your day. Pause and offer the mind and thoughts a few phrases of loving kindness. When you're waiting in line, walking to your car, or checking your emails. As always, enjoy your discovery. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.